So after covering the routes, now let's go to the controllers. um, this is the auth controller, which manages the authentication processes and which acts upon the methods like sign up, login, forgot password, change password, and all the authentication related stuff. So this is the sign up function. It basically first checks the whether the request is valid or not, else it throws the error. If in case some there is like email invalidation, or if password is not submitted, something like that. So here I have got all the necessary data. Then I have used bcrypt library for generating the hashed password. I'm storing the hashed password in the database. After that, when this promise is completed, I save the when this promise is completed, I save the user, and then send back the result to the client with the user created message. So this is the sign up process. This is the login process. Here the password is compared with the hashed password that is stored in the database. So this is the password that the client will be sending, and this is the password that is been fetched from the DB. If they are not equal, then means the client has entered the wrong password, and a respective error will be thrown. So if the password is valid, then the request is been authenticated, and the token is been returned to the client. This is the method to change the password. uh, this method is called from this uh, function that is been actually executed when serving the request. So this is all the process to change the password. Now let's go to the forgot password. Here, when the user submits the email, I just generate a new password that is of length 10, and then I send the user with this temporary password. So user has to log in with the temporary password provided, then he or she can change the password when the user is in app. So I have commented out the code that sends the email for now. So here is the code to send email. So this is all about the auth controller. Now next video we'll be discussing about the recipe controller.